Good morning. How are you? It's Thursday, April 16 today. It was so great seeing all you guys yesterday. Oh, I loved it. Oh, we realize how much we miss each other now, don't we? When we don't get to see our friends and be at school. Um, my grandson Smith is still in the hospital. They're waiting for the cultures to come back from the fluid they took out of his spinal cord. He finally ate late yesterday afternoon. So if you could pray for that little guy, and for Joel and Amy, my son and daughter-in-law too. This is really hard on them. Mrs. Hopek's dad is in a hospital in Michigan, so pray for her. They're only allowing one person in there to see him, and her brother is there, so she doesn't know what to do. So, hard times for everyone. Jackson told me his great grandma died of COVID-19 this week. His mom is pretty sad. What are we, over 20,000 people dying from this? Pray for all those people. My uncle passed away 2 days ago, and they just can have a funeral with camera there. So we're all going to have to watch the funeral on TV. And then those in the hospital with COVID-19. Yeah, thousands and thousands of people in the hospitals, the nurses. I bet we all know somebody who's a nurse. My daughter Erin is a nurse practitioner. She was in the hospital today. And then our leaders, that they can make wise decisions on what should happen, and that we can all be kind to each other. So be praying for them. This is a really, really tough time. So thanks. All right, pretty easy day today. Brown versus the Board of Education. We talked about that yesterday. I gave you a worksheet, the Montgomery bus boycott. Complete that worksheet. You can find the link in classwork on Google Classroom. Return that to me Friday before 3 o'clock. Watch the Ed puzzle for the Brown case and answer those questions. And double check by tomorrow afternoon, no, today, this afternoon, double check to make sure that all the missing assignments look good, and because that report will be coming out tomorrow. Then read Massive Resistance. That's like a short paragraph on page 413. And then tomorrow we'll start on the Little Rock 9. Have a blessed day, you guys, and thanks for praying for all those concerns that I put on the list. All right, love you, miss you guys. Have a good day.